What's up everyone? Just down the garage, gonna get a bit done. Bit noisy in there. While he's pricking around with that, I am going to get my rocker cover done, hopefully. I'm just going to degrease it, and maybe I'll use scuff pad, Scotch-Brite, just to clean it down with some degreaser, maybe some thinners. I might take a bit of the paint off though, because the rocker cover is actually really clean, the paint on it is strong, so there's no point in taking that good paint off it to have to put paint back on it. So I'm just going to scuff the rocker cover down and give it the 3 coats of the wrinkled red, as my EG8 is red, no point in doing a blue or a yellow rocker cover on it. I was thinking about doing black, but unfortunately my brother used all of my black on the B series one, which is for sale if anyone is looking for one. Cheap enough anyway, it's done nice, so if you are looking for one, give me a shout. Hit me up in the comments below, or hit me up on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, whichever one you can get me on. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this rocker cover, and he's going to continue sanding that bonnet so we can polish it. That's 3 coats of the wrinkled red done on the rocker cover. Hopefully I'll come down tomorrow and it's all wrinkly effect. Fitted. Yeah, it looks really good. Savage. What's up everyone? It's a new day. We're down at the garage. I'm literally just down here to collect my brother's mini brakes that he's selling and to check out this rocker cover. So let's see how it cured. How good does this carbon bonnet look on this car now? Now it doesn't need more polishing, but you've seen it beforehand, but now literally so good. Then we have this. Ooh la la. Yeah, that crinkled up nice. Crinkled up all the way around. There's a few shiny spots, which what I usually do is I hit it with light dusting of the red. But you know what? I think it looks good the way it is. So I'm just going to leave it like this and put it on the car when I clean up the engine. And this will finish the engine off. I'm going to get a carbon plug cover, or just wrap my no, do you know what? No, I'm going to get a carbon plug cover for this, and then I'm going to get all the fancy bolts and stuff for the head to make it look good, to make it look nice. I'm going to sand this down to silver, and that's the rocker cover done. So yeah, It is now Tuesday, so I'm in work for 3 days and then I'm off for the weekend. So I'll get down here Saturday and get a good bit done. And we're still awaiting the panel for the Mini. So when I get down on Saturday, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to move it out and I'm going to get the sanding done on this to get this ready for primer. It's getting primed for, so it's going to get maybe a 2-stage in primer. I'm going to prime it, sand it, prime it, then block the car, and then wet sand it and get it nice and smooth, no dents, no nothing, because this paint job that we're doing on it needs to be exact. So yeah guys, I shall see you then, and peace out. What's up guys? It's very early, house is empty, weird. The wife gone out with the kids, left me on my own. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few bits in the house. I need to sort this floor. I'm gonna rip up its lino. It's disgusting. So I'm going to head out to the shops and get a few things to fix this. And then I'm going to head down to my mate Al at cleanmycar.ie, and he's going to give the Dacia a once over. It's absolutely filthy, full of dead bugs. And yeah, let's get to it. I'm a freak for socks. I don't know what it is, but I have loads. Superhero socks, I have Superman, Batman. We also have dinosaur socks, van socks. Well, so many. Maybe my Grinch socks today. Yeah. Oh, Grinchy. There, Mr. Grinchy. You know what? We all have to have something we love. I love socks. I love comfy clothing. My missus loves wedding shoes with skulls on them. So, yeah, I'm a winner. So, yeah, I'm going to obviously get the other sock on and head out and get supplies. Another thing I also love, hats. I never really did love hats. There's a channel I watch. His name is Dustin Williams. He has some awesome merch, and he's in America, and I did buy some merch off him. It's pretty cool. Legends Media. Check them out. Support me. Buy one of my caps. Much appreciated. So guys, let me know in the comments what you love. Mine is hats, comfy socks, nice clothes, and obviously cars. But what do you like? Drop a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you like. Hey everyone, I'm here at Home Savers, it's called. It's a shop where you get cheap stuff. But my missus was here yesterday and she said she's seen the floor tiles that stick down on the floor. So I'm going to go in and grab some. Check out how silly does this bear look with this mask. Jesus, looks something now in Mortal Kombat. So I'm going to head in now and just get the bits and pieces. This is what the wife wants. It's like a wooden flooring effect, but sticky. It's 7 in a pack. Hopefully 3 packs will do. With the knife. Let's get this done. So that's that done. Jesus, it's so warm, especially in that mask. It's I'm gonna get home guys and get these on the floor, so enjoy the time lapse. Now is the satisfying bit. Let's find a weak corner and we peel this out. If I can find a weak corner. Oh, it's nice and flat. I was expecting it to be lumpy concrete, but that's a win. So let's get this up. That is so much nicer and cleaner than I thought it actually was going to be. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few bits out the front, measure them off the old lino, as the lino fit perfect. So I'm going to do the cuts for here, all along up the door here first, and then get the first bit down. So that's the game plan. I'm going to do it this way, and I'm going to do it in the line, and then put all the little half bits in there. Then it looks like there's a line here, and then there's going to be a line about here, and then just use all the little offcuts. So yeah, let's get this done. So finally, it's time to get this down. Guys, end result, have to say, so much better, so much neater, so much tidier, except for that horrible brown flooring that will be getting redone, and the mess. So took a bit longer than expected. All these little cuts were a nightmare. Didn't have a measuring tape. It's down in the garage, but that is the floor. DIY, never done one before, so just goes to show you can do it. Christmas. Down here with Al, doing a scrubbing job. He's doing a good job, hopefully, on the car. It's in bits, get a good wash on it. So yeah, enjoy. So Al had to do a Lego there with his sister. He's doing her car, but what a super job done on the Dacia. It's white again, so yeah, very happy with that. If you need your car done, come down here, Green Oak Business Park, cleanmycar.ie. They'll hook you up, polishing, washing, anything you need. They also sell them hoovers that they gave me for the sponsor. So yeah, hit them up guys, cleanmycar.ie. Talk to Al, he'll look after you. Now guys, here's a very rare car you don't really see in Ireland. R33 GTR in midnight purple. Amazing. Really nice. 95. Yeah, you don't really see many of them in Ireland. It's very clean. Very nice, sounds awesome. Yeah, dream car, but I'd rather a Supra. But you can't knock the GTR lovers. It's a really, really, really nice car. It has lovely wheels on it, lovely exhaust, really clean. Looks like it's very well looked after. So yeah, fair play to the owner. I haven't seen an R33 GTR in a very, very, very long time. What's up everyone? Just down in the garage again. I will be coming back down later on, but I'm going to finish this video off now. We'll have a quick look at the rocker cover fully cured, and it actually looks pretty good. I'm a massive fan of this wrinkled red. It looks really good, even inside there. I'm going to sand this later on when I get down tonight because it's fully dry. So it really, 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 really looks good. That's going to look really nice on the engine. So I'm going to peel off all of the paper now and give you a look afterwards. That's all the tape taken off. You could spend literally an hour or over an hour masking up one of these rocker covers, and they just take way too long. But that's it for now guys. I'll end the video here and I shall see you in the next one. Guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.